Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the table and removing any loose debris so cleaning works on the metal itself. Apply a mild detergent solution or 1/2 cup white vinegar in 1 L warm water and rub along the grain to lift grease. This is why you go with non-abrasive tools, to avoid scratches. Once done, rinse with clean water to remove detergent residue and make sure to wring the cloth well so you're not leaving excess moisture behind. Next, handle stuck-on stains with a baking soda paste, 2 parts baking soda to 1 part water, because the mild abrasiveness lifts deposits without harming the finish. Apply the paste, let it sit 5–10 minutes, then rub gently along the grain. If you must use circular motion, limit pressure and area. Once the stain breaks up, rinse thoroughly to remove all residue and immediately dry with a soft towel. Drying prevents water spots and mineral buildup that dulls stainless steel. Finish by applying a small amount of mineral oil or a dedicated stainless polish and buffing along the grain with a microfiber cloth to restore luster and add a protective layer. You do this because oil fills tiny micro scratches and reduces fingerprints. Make sure not to use bleach or steel wool, which cause pitting and corrosion. If discoloration persists after repeating the paste treatment, try a commercial stainless cleaner or consult a pro. Otherwise,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.